Shad.
Grabe yung energy ni Lolo, no? Ni Piolo, no?
Oh, wait, the show was completely shot in Baguio?
Most of it, like probably more than half. We're not done yet, but we're still going back to Baguio this weekend for the third cycle, so we've been there. Yeah.
Okay. At tama yung sinabi mo, Kuya EJ, kasi kanina habang sumasagot si Piolo ng mga tanong, pinag-obserbahan ko lang
Iba,
siya.
no?
Iba yung spirit niya na. Kasi if I can share lang, 2 years ago when I was interviewing you for Flower of Evil, parang nasa mata mo, parang uncertain ka pa na parang tuloy-tuloy ba to? Will I really do a comeback? As they call it, parang ididire-diretso ko na ba tong pagbabalik ko sa TV or movies?
yeah, because-
Pero iba yung
Because I said that's it, right? I was quitting soap, no?
Yeah.
Wala eh.
Sucker tayo for good stories, saka mukhang pera. I mean, gusto ko lang nagtatrabaho, gusto ko lang may ginagawa. Tsaka paano ko makakahindi
Pang-sige
sa
sagrado ka nga talaga. Sa character
pera.
Iba,
Sabi
iba.
kasi ni Tito Dayo nung pinisa sa... So Tito Dayo, ilang episodes to? 100. Sige, let's go!
Wow.
Let's go!
Okay, next question.
Yes, we have our next set of questions will come from Richard Paglikawan of Lionheart.
The Lionheart guy!
Oh,
Oh, the
hello.
Lionheart.
I follow you guys.
Hey Papa P, good afternoon. So, yung question ko kasi, parang naging trend sa, kahit sa Hollywood, na parang yung mga meeting idols, gumagawa ng mga roles na mga kontrabida, pero later on parang nagiging fear ng mga viewers na parang sila yung ina-idolize, na kahit negative yung kanilang portrayal ng character.
Yeah.
So, ikaw ba, Papa P, as an actor, may reservations ka ba dun sa paggawa ng role na to? And may fear ka ba na i-idolize din yung character mo? And paano mo i-handle
Yeah. Well, thanks for that. Actually, it's the reason why I said the same answer a while ago. Wherein there has to be redemption for the character. He can't be bad all the way. That's why I'm excited for the journey of my character, because he starts out bad, but through the journey of his story, he's gonna turn into good. So it has to have redemption. If there's no hope, then let's do not do it. That's my mantra in life. If I'm not gonna learn anything from your film, from your story, which would make me a better person, a good person to say the least, I won't do it. I won't even watch it. I won't recommend it. That's why all my films, mamatay man ako in the end, there's redemption for the story or the character. But it has to end on a good note. Yeah. Thank you.
Thanks, Papa P. Ito na lang, ikaw ba personally, may mga gusto kang, or may mga nakita kami na ikaw mismo yung nag-suggest na gawin?
Mabait naman yung mga director ko, tsaka yung mga writers na, you know, when we have suggestion or pag nagko-collab kami, how you gonna take it. Si Direk Lau, ibigyan ko ganito, tapos sabi niya, Pinch, parang mali, parang gawin mo ito. Oo nga, okay, Direk. Tapos si Direk Endoy, sabi niya, okay, di ba, tama? Pag hindi ko nagagawa, sabi niya, okay, gawin mo ulit, ganun. So, as long as you're good with collaboration, you're open, I mean, we suggest, and they also suggest, and there's always room and space for talks and, you know, as to how we can attack a scene. So I think I've reached that point in my career wherein my director would talk to me and discuss with me how they want to do it, because of course, ang dami na nagawa mo. You want to be able to diversify and make sure na hindi pare-pareho. So I always listen to my director and whatever I can suggest, pag-uusapan.
Thanks, Papa P.
Thank you.
Iba talaga to.
Kasi Richard.
Jay, may babasahin ako.
May mga tanong ako dapat kay PJ, kaso lang.
I understand she's watching right now. See, the head of integrated marketing is Cookie Bartolome.
Cookie Boy!
Sabi niya, I've just finished previewing Pamilya Sagrado. Sobrang gripping at ang galing ng storytelling. Every character, especially Piolo, very intriguing and interesting. I can't wait to watch the other episodes and see how the story unfolds. That's Miss Cookie, the head of entertainment, integrated marketing. Galing.
Thank you, Miss
Cookie.
Miss Yu.
Alright, MJ tuloy, Aaron.
Our next set of questions will come from Nas Tavares of
Si Nas ba yung maganda ba? Or
Pelikula Mania.
Cinema Bravo?
Pelikula Mania.
Pelikula Mania, sorry.
Dagdag,
Wala akong tumama doon
dagdag lang sa
Kasi
question
Jonel
ni
pala eh.
Chad earlier. How comfortable are you doing yung mga masasamang bagay?
Sobra naman, artista ka, dapat open ka to things, hindi lang yung mga good things. Ako
Does
kaya
it feel
nag-enjoy.
liberating in a way? Na,
Definitely. When I did Malyari, sabi ng director ko, make sure, kuya, after this, magpagpag ka. After nung shooting namin, diretso ko sa stage, nagko-concert ako. Yun yung pagpag ko. So, dito, I enjoy being a character because hindi naman po siya nagbubuhat ng bako, mabait akong tao eh. Hindi ako palaaway. So pag gumagawa ako ng mga ganitong character, enjoy ko talaga kasi pagmumura, tapos nagagalit ka, nagsisisigaw, nagwawala ka. Hindi ko kasi ginagawa sa totoong buhay. So I have fun doing it, yeah.
Wow.
Santo kasi ako. Joke lang po. Hindi, kasi hindi talaga ako yung nature ko ba, hindi ako palaway. Sabi ko, pag nagalit ako talaga, pipigilin ko yung sarili ko kasi alam ko yung kaya kong gawin, di ba? So I'd rather not. So pag gumagawa ko ng mga istorya, character na ganito kasama, wow, let's go!
Ano rin yung mga issues and mga themes sa Pamilya Sagrado na sa tingin mo importanteng mapanood ng mga manonood ngayon?
Lahat. From the hazing. You know, this is a brave concept to begin with. Watching hazing, we've always wanted to do this, and now we have it. And lahat ng complexities na pagdadaanan, hindi lang ng politika at pamilya at ng society, itataral ng Pamilya Sagrado.
Thank you.
Thank
Hey, can I ask, aren't you worried na baka may matamaan?
Ganun talaga ang storytelling. Kung manatamaan ka, guilty ka.
While this is fictional,
It is fiction, that's the end of the day. At
Right.
the end of the day, kung sa tingin mong pinagtatamaan ka, I'm sorry, but this is pure fiction. There you go.
Okay. Before, may second part tayo, di ba? Pero may isa pang solo question for Papa P. Si Miss Anne, ang news, gusto magtanong?
Ana Cerezo.
Oo.
Ang kasamahan sa
Busy.
news.
I know.
Hi.
Hi, since, by the way, congratulations again.
Thank you.
How would you address lang din, since issue talaga yung hazing, paternities,
Mm-hmm.
how would this also be addressed dito sa storytelling?
It's being brought to light. I mean, you know what really happens. I mean, of course, as fiction as it may seem, there are also truths to what happened during the hazing. And you know, as a storyteller, that's what we want to show for people to see and be aware of what really happens during fraternity hazing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So much.
Ang sweet ng Ana, isa ng question.
I know!
Tsaka isang gano'n ka lang. Baka kung saan mapunta eh.
Our gentlemen here, friends here, may questions kayo.
Thank you,
Si
Partner, we have a question from
Ken Quinto.
Ken Quinto
Wow!
from Pamilya Kingdom.
Pamilya Quinto. Pamilya Quinto.
Kinakabahan ako si Papa Peter.
First time ko nagtanong.
Okay nga. sige.
Ever.
Papa Peter, dalawa lang yung questions ko. Yung una, sa set ba, kay Gray and kay Kyle, ano ka doon? More on ano ka ba? Kaibigan, father, or kuya?
Cute.
Si Kyle, katropa ko talaga. Nag-workout kami everyday. Tumatakbo kami. Kasabay ko sa set. So siya talaga yung naging, because we did the ride last year. May isa kaming pelikula ginawa a year ago. That's sobrang kami naging close because since after that, sabay na kami nag-workout pati sa Baguio. Sabay kami ng program. Si Gray, the thing about Gray, ang sarap, ang hirap niyang basagin at first because he was very timid and of course trying to find his way dun sa istorya. But once he started warming up, iba rin yung binigay ng bata. Takot kasi siya sa akin eh, and I played up with that at first. So as much as we tried to reach out to each other, we had to make sure that we are living within the boundaries of our characters para mas makatulong. Mas close to doing method, pero hindi naman kami masama sa isa't isa. It's just that he played it in an intimidated way para makatulong sa kanya. And then after that cycle, wala, tropa ko na rin. Ganun.
Tropa. Tapos second question ko, Papa P. Kasi yung mga katrabaho mo dito, talagang mga batikang artista, and ikaw isa ka rin dun sa mga yon. Meron ka pa bang na-learn sa kanila, natututunan?
Gusto naman sa mga bata eh. Yung
At sa
if you're
kanila
a
rin.
student, if you're a lifetime student of acting, kahit sino kayo sa inyo, may matututunan ka. Kahit magaling o hindi magaling. Because pag may binigay na natural yun, mas makakapulutan mo ng lesson yun. Or ang sarap kasi when you're drawing from your emotion, na alam mo yung respeto ng isang tao sa craft niya, brings out the best in him. So doon, mga ganun yung tinitingnan ko and I learned from that. I try to do that myself as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Ken. Before the question, Kuya Sunny, magtatanong ka.
Kuya Sari!
Charo. Kasi kala ko parang gusto niyo magtanong.
Parang tumataas yung ulit kasi.
Oo,
Pantay ka, Kuya Sari. Pantay lang.
Teka lang ha, baka gusto nga naman talaga niya.
Pero Kuya AJ, alam mo,
Yes,
parang
AJ.
again, sorry pero habang pinapakinggan ko rin si Pio, nagka-flashback sa akin yung mga times na, we were just promoting Noah.
Oh my God, no.
Past projects, PJ starting over again. Here in this same venue, Parang medyo nag-ano lang sa mind ko na parang
Lahat dito nangyari yan.
lahat ng mga
And then this
milestones.
one, I remember starting over again when we had a victory party here. I cried.
Kasi doon ka na nga nagpapaalam.
Song ko talaga yung start. Kaya, oh yeah!
Matandaan mo yun.
Yes!
Such a full circle. That was 20 years ago, 2004.
Milestone moment yun.
2004.
Nag-flashback sa mind ko lahat ng nangyayari dito sa 14th floor.
Ako nakalimutan ko na sa damage.
Ako rin eh.
Ang
Wow.
dami
No, it was really a different kind of energy I had at that time. I was tired. But then the movie was a success and that's when I realized here on stage and I couldn't control myself. I cried. Sabi ko, ang sarap palang pag ini-embrace ka ng isang industriya na gusto mo nang iwan tapos pag nakita mo yung appreciation nila sa'yo, hindi ka pala makakaalis.
Ang dami mga iconic.
So wala ka nang iniisip na ganun ngayon.
Tsaka na, sarap ng bayad eh.
Saka you're getting your flowers now.
Saan?
Hindi ah.
Sama tayo.
Di ba? You're getting your flowers now. You're being recognized for good
Hindi
work,
naman natin
project.
hinahan yan eh. Ang
I
sabi
know,
nila, we're
pero-
sucker for good stories and as long as the good scripts keep coming, we'll say.
Right.
We'll say. If there's any good story to tell that they tap me to be part of, I'll do it.
Sa Piolo, anong secret mo sa reinvention?
Making sure na hindi mo ginawa yung ginawa mo na dati and you trust your artistry, you trust
Papi,
your
ito talaga first, hindi mo ito nagawa even before itong sagrado.
Oo, di ba? Tapos sinabas ko na yung puting buho ko eh. That's what it is, man. So I'm growing with my character. I'm growing with my artistry. I'm growing as an artist, and I want to keep on growing.
Having said that, marami pa bang hindi nagagawa?
Sobrang dami naman, MJ. Dumarating tayo sa punto ng buhay natin. Ako, nakakaya ko palang gawin ito. Uy, pwede na pala ako dito. Like, look at Richard Gere. I mean, who would have thought he'd be starring in a film right now? He was just in Cannes. So parang, when I saw Hugh Jackman perform, dancing, sing at the Music Man in New York, 54, sabi ko, kaya ako tinanggap yung iba. Who am I to say na hanggang dito ka na lang?
That's right.
I always want to challenge myself and become better by doing different characters.
Right. Street na nga lang eh. Meryl Streep na nga lang at over 60, di ba?
So yung siguro, there's a character na gusto kong gawin stripper, ganun.
No, wait ako yan.
The joke lang. Sobrang naman, MJ.
Kumain na, sabi mo nga, hindi mo nagagawa eh. Mali mo.
Let's cross the bridge.
O sa mga producers na nakikinig.
Mag-50 at 50, no?
Uy, magandang angulo yun ah.
Ewan ko dyan, mga nag-joke lang yan.
Joke lang. Tingnan mo, Abi.
Alam ni Mami.
Jokes are happening.
Joke lang.
Okay.
And for the last question sa segment na to, Aaron.
Yes, our killer question will come from Nika Sabio of Push.com.
Ang kinabahan ako doon sa killer
Sino
ba tayo
maganda ba?
napag-usapan?
Maganda ba? Hindi magtatanong.
Hindi, kaya mo naman explain ang sarili ko.
Okay, go ahead, Miss Nika.
Hi, congratulations po, Sir Piolo.
Salamat.
My question po is, from your Malyari character na Dark and then Julia Sagrado Dark, you gave justice to your roles and then you gave justice as a romantic leading actor. Which one do you prefer po and like the most na ginagawa?
Seriously, as an actor, it's your job to always challenge yourself to become different, to look different, to act different as an artist. Yun yung craft namin na hindi ka stuck sa isang genre, hindi ka stuck sa isang kaya mong tradition na pwedeng gawin. It's a walk in the park. It's always nice to be busy and doing something that takes you out of the box and really challenges you as an artist. That's where I go. I don't want to be stuck to any genre, hopefully.
Okay, last na lang po, what trait that you like and dislike about Rafael without spoiling anything?
As greedy as he may seem, he's a good father. I mean, yun lang yung saving grace niya. He wanted to protect his family, and he's not the type to kill. So, yun yun.
Thank you po and
Thank you.
congratulations.
Do everything except kill.
Do everything except kill
Ah.
for him.
Interesting.
Okay,
Okay.
friend from Kapamilya Online World, gusto mong tanong sila?
Si Brian?
Brian, sige
Brian.
pa. Siya yung kilalang Kapamilya
Wait,
Online.
sayang naman yung 3 million followers
I
naman.
know. Very shy.
Brian
Go, Brian.
naman.
Partner, we have a question from K-Tex.
Ayan,
Si
ayan,
Ayan.
special. Another
Kapamilya Exchange.
True.
Okay naman.
Si Emil ba?
Email.
Go ahead, Emil. Stand up.